Trading like sharks, no room for shame. Strategy so sharp, like a knife in the night. Every move calculated, every risk we fight. In the matrix, we're the kings of the game. Trading like sharks, no room for shame. Strategy so sharp, like a knife in the night. Every move calculated, every risk we fight. In the matrix, we're the kings of the trade, riding high. Our wealth's never to fade, sharp as a blade. Our confidence is bold in the market. We're never cold. Through the chaos, through the pain, we rise above, we never wane. Each trade a victory, each also lessons. In the matrix, we're never at a loss. From the depths to the peaks, we ascend. With every win, we feel our power bend. Trading like pros in the eye of the storm. Our success is our greatest form. The market's our playground. We play the game with every trade. Our confidence remains no matter the risk. We take it on in the matrix. We're never alone. In the matrix, we're the kings of the trade, riding high. Our wealth's never.
Come on with your hands in the air, guys. Let's get the day started out. This song's so hype. 4 minutes till news. Market's about to pump, dump, I don't know. But y'all gonna be annoyed of me with that button, bro. Y'all gonna hate me with that button. I finally figured out how to add sounds, bro. Y'all are gonna freaking hate me. Oh man. Increase the odds. What's up? Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Papa Bear. Talk about San Andreas looking like San Andreas with the preview screen. It's true though. It's true. 64 as soon as the stream start. Hit the like button, guys. Love it though. Yeah. Thanks, guys. Thanks. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Goodness gracious. Let's just start off with the fact that we're all alive. Come on, man. Not many people actually like woke up this morning, right? It's not many people had the opportunity to be alive, and just thankful to be here. Thankful to be here with you guys. Thankful to be, in the markets. So let's start off with just that, all right? GG's to everybody. W's in the chat for being alive today, because it's going to be a good day. Win or lose, it's going to be a good day today, guys. Yeah, increase the odds. Yeah, everybody's over here, bro. Everybody's chilling on the on the cool side of the live. For whatever reason, the short lives always do better, you know what I mean? But bro, I love the freaking button. I don't know what to use it for, but oops. If you have other ideas for buttons, let me know. Last night I was like twiddling, playing around with OBS. I was like, oh, I figured it out. It has to be a wave file, and now I can click the button. All right, let's get the stream started on the right foot. Tap that like button. It means so much to me if you guys can tap the like button. Just get the algorithm juices flowing. Get more people over to the Matrix Trading family. We're trading every day, and we're doing our best to follow the rules and stay profitable. But the most important thing out of everything that I want to do on this freaking thing, YouTube's live and stream, is just hang out, bro, and take away the stresses of life. And hopefully, today we get a banger. News is about to hit in 30 seconds. So I guess let's take a look at the charts really quick. Stop filled. That's a good one. That's a good one. I just put mine 32 inch in vertical too, so this is crisp. Oh my gosh. Got a big old screen vertical. I mean, I have one too. That's what I'm looking at for the chat. I have a 27 inch that's vertical. Got stuff in my hair. All right, news about to drop. Oh, news dropped. Let's take a look. Draw out this supply over here. So we had a break of structure, essentially, sweeping these lows. I don't see us coming all the way back up here anytime soon to go short. What I do like is this 5-minute supply that's formed here. I'd want to see a 5-minute candle close lower here, break lower, make the new leg lower, and then retest to go short. Trade idea number 1. I know we're just getting started, but I just wanted to draw that out. If we do break lower, I could see this huge 1 hour demand candle filled. So 25,190. Ah Hong Lee, appreciate the sub. So we just gotta stay patient. Quick update on everything else while we wait for these candles to form. We submitted for our payout. After splits, it's $2,300 per account. So just a little more than $4,600, which is great. Funds have already been removed, and we are green light to trade the express accounts. And then I have these 2 combines, which are $1,500 away from passing. I will look to try to pass it today. I'm not going to be guaranteed to pass it, but that's primarily my focus, is to trade these express accounts or combines. Great analysis, exactly what I was waiting for, with the hopes to drop lower. We back on our Lucid eval. Nice, bro. Okay, Lucid is still doing good, man. I think Lucid is going to be here for the long term, especially with their setups. So I applied as an affiliate, but I don't know, bro. I don't know. All right, so let's get the party started early though on these giveaways. 75K total. I'll do 50K and 25K eval giveaway. TX3 funded and funded hero. Like goal 75. All right, guys, 75 likes equals 75K and eval giveaways. Can we get that today? I think so. I think it's possible. The blue's a little hard to see in my opinion, so let's just keep it at red. It did. It broke structure, so essentially at this point there's a shot that this thing will come up to this supply and short on the 5-minute. Look at my other chart. It's a little sketch. I mean on the express accounts I'm okay taking it. On the combines, but but on the Express accounts, I don't see myself taking it. The repeater I'm using doesn't respect my SL sometimes, and I keep going after my main account closes out. What's the repeater? I don't know what that is actually. Mill Road. Hi. Oh, the copy trader I'm using doesn't respect my SL sometimes, and I just keep going after my main account closes out. Yeah, I mean, I use copy trader, or I use TopStep X with the copy trader that they have. I don't usually have any issues with it. So it depends on what you're using as far as a trade copier. And if you're copying multiple prop firms at once, you know, you got Apex, you got TopStep, you have My Fund of Futures, and you're trade copying on multiple platforms, I can see that being an issue. You know, I wouldn't trust that in any case. And from what I've learned, you know, just with TopStep alone, I've secured 30K in a little less than 45 days. You don't need to trade multiple prop firms to make an absorbent amount of money. That makes sense. You know what I mean? Or to make a lot of money. So, and then also you don't have to trade all of them at once. I thought that would be good, and it can be, but it also puts you at risk, you know, because if you go on tilt and you're on trading all accounts, boom, you lost it, right? So I learned now I like trading in pairs and maybe have one standalone account, because then it protects me from blowing all of them at once. So just that's my 2 cents from what I've learned. So market sentiment, you know, there's a lot going on in the markets. We still have tariff issues. We have rumors of war. I know we kind of just went through some of the government shutdown. I don't know if that's officially over or not. You know, tech stocks had their earnings, and AI isn't as amazing as everybody says it was going to be. So, you know, us trading the NAS, that's primarily all tech stocks anyway. It has been pretty crazy, and I appreciate the feedback. No problem. Oh, I'm using prop firm, 3 accounts using NinjaTrader. I've never used NinjaTrader, to be honest, man. So I can't speak much about it. I've only used Trade8. That being said, there's just uncertainty, right? You don't have to know everything that's going on in the news to actually know that there's uncertainty in the market. And if we look at Bitcoin, which is on my other screen, you guys can't see it. You know, we're at 68,966. So we're at 68,000, and I think there's just fear. You know, there's fear, and for traders, that's okay with us. You know, it doesn't matter if it goes up or down. We basically just trade what's in front of us. And as of right now, there's a lot of fear in the market. So shorts, bears are essentially taking over. We have slowly made our way back up on, if we go to the daily, I don't trade off the daily, but if we look at the daily for NAS, okay, if we're looking at the daily for NAS, all-time high is up here, okay? We've retraced back to November 21 lows, and now we're starting to push back higher. If I were just trading this, let's say this was like a 1 hour chart, it's pretty choppy. It's pretty uncertain at this point. There isn't really any confirmation of a move higher, in my opinion. I think that the continuation lower is likely based on charts. we're in a daily supply right now, daily supply area. So potentially us taking shorts in this area, but I don't like to have like biases that are that big. But if I were to look at the daily, plus with the market sentiment and everything going on, I think that we can look for a move lower. That being said, I don't trade with the bias coming into the day. I just trade kind of what's in front of us. And currently speaking, there is that 1 hour supply that I've just drawn out. Then we have this 1 hour demand that we've tapped into again. And then we have this 1 hour demand down here. And then we have a 1 hour supply, which I don't know if we've tapped. This 1 hour supply we have not tapped. So there is a likelihood that we want to come back up and go into this 1 hour supply above. So I will look for that. If it does happen, I do like the opportunity to go short up here in the 25,470 area somewhere. Anonymous trader, balance day. Okay, balance day. Potentially, since overnight we just have been consolidating. We haven't really broken out higher or lower. So it is if we kind of zoom out a little bit, we are just barcoding ever so slightly. So patience is going to be key today. Let's jump over to gold. I haven't been trading gold lately because I'm stuck to 2 micros. And that's not ideal for what I do. But if we were to look at gold, we'll mark out our supplies. Boom. And then technically we're in a supply right now. And then our demands, which we've already we're bouncing off of a demand right now. And no clear demand down here. All the demands have been filled and used up. That being said, we go down to the 5 minute. We had break a structure already. That's happened. And continuation lower. So essentially based on setup, we'd want to look for shorts here. But because we're already bouncing up higher, I don't know if shorts can hold here at this point. What I've seen is these stronger moves where it sells off and it doesn't really tap our zone to go short and it just continues lower, doesn't tend to hold whenever we get up to supply. That happened yesterday. Here's this 5 minute demand, tapped into it and we went higher. So not interested in shorting gold just yet. I would be more interested up here, which I'm going to draw my alerts. Alert, boom. And up in the 5,095 area, I'd be interested to go short. Sorry, what do you mean by supply and demand? Supply and demand is just another strategy that has different okay, what am I trying to say? Supply and demand, support and resistance, disbursement candle, breaker box. Like there's so many terminologies and they all mean the same thing. So what I'm about to show you and tell you of supply and demand, you've probably heard before in another place, like in another strategy. So supply and demand, meaning supply is an area or a zone where there potentially are more sellers waiting for price to get into that area to then short, meaning there's more supply than there is demand on the product, and then vice versa. If we're in a demand zone, that means that price is so cheap, or the product, if we want to dumb it down to like an actual product that you can buy, that the product is so cheap that people want to buy it. So support, resistance, supply, demand, breaker box, whatever people ICT world calls their stuff, SMT, whatever. It's all the same. I just, for whatever reason, supply and demand has really like stuck with me. Ceiling and floor is the easiest way to explain supply and demand. Yeah, that's a good way to explain it. Just another word for resistance and support. Gotcha. Yep. When you zoom down, when you actually draw out the boxes for supply and demand, it's a bit different than support and resistance. Like some people for support and resistance will just draw out the candle wicks and they call that resistance. In my world of supply and demand, it's the whole candle. So if we look at this 1 hour candle, there's a few things that I'll show you for what I look for. We have a rally candle, base, drop. Rally, base, drop. So in this area where price rallied, it based, meaning it just kind of flatlined, it didn't get anywhere, and then it started to drop, it created a supply zone. And usually I draw the top of the wick down to the bottom wick, and that is now my supply zone. It's just an area of interest to where I want to short. That's keeps it aligned. And then we have this drop candle. And then another added area that makes it interesting to me is the fact that there's this gap between the candles. Between this candle up into this candle wick, there's a gap, and a lot of the times these gaps want to be filled. It's not all the time that they want to be filled, and I don't per se make that a necessary confluence, but it just makes this supply zone a lot more interesting to me because there's a gap to be filled on the 1 hour. That being said, we filled the gap, but we haven't tapped into the supply. So it calls for patience to either A, wait for a short into supply, and if I'm thinking that we will reach supply, then there might be a long trade to take if we wanted to go long in this demand up into the area where we want to go short. So that's my thought process on current price action on NQ. And now it's just a matter of a waiting game. Just a matter of just being patient and waiting for it. And we can wait for 2 hours until it gets to this area and be completely wrong for shorts and it just continue higher. That's just the nature of trading. That's the nature of showing up to the markets every single day and putting yourself at risk, you know? Just want to set that expectation to new people. TopStep, new system chart color. Well, these are my chart colors. Oh, you're talking about this? Yeah. It's like darker instead of the, like this is the, oh no, the dashboard, they changed it too. It's like blue, a bluish outline, and then deep black. It's like much more deeper in color. Kind of like it. I'm digging it, and I like that they're keeping things refreshed and always updating us, you know. Hit the like button, guys, if you want to be profitable. Hey, Papa Bear's got something. He's right about that. Hey, where did my let me just simplify what I'm trying to say. 75 likes equals 75K in funded in evals giveaways. There you go. I think that's easier to say, and I'll just leave that there. All right, next thing I need to do this weekend is come up with a way where I put a bar on the screen somewhere where I can just like have it sitting there so I don't have to keep typing this out. All right, let's go over the poll together, and then let's take a look at this poll together here and see what everyone's market sentiment is about what's going to happen today. So do the markets recover today? Question mark. 30% of you say yes, bro. Okay. 33% of you say shh, the bears taking over again. And then 36% of you say I'm new here. So it's a little tough to say, but it looks like the bears and the bulls are kind of even, which which essentially makes sense to what has happened since 10 o'clock yesterday, is we've just consolidated. Consolidation station. And we're just going back and forth in the same kind of range. So, and welcome to all the new people and everyone that's new to trading. It's a journey. And if you're willing and wanting to jump into this journey, there's a free Discord, guys. It's in the description and in the pinned comments. Completely free. I don't charge anything. There's profitable traders in there. There are people who are on their journey trying to learn. It's completely free, so feel free to join. If you're using OBS, just add the text source in your scene. Literally right click and add text. Stop it. Stop it. Increase the odds. You stop it right now on making my life easier so fast. You just came out of nowhere and changed my life. Let me see. Right click. Add. Stop. Stop it right, bro. It's that easy. You freaking fricks. When will you learn? 75 equals 75 likes equals 75K in giveaways. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It disappeared. I don't know where the text went anymore, bro. I'll figure it out later. I don't want to ruin it. Bro, can you give away me $100? No, man, I can't just do that, bro. I can't just give away $100, you know what I mean? Will, you posted in the chat and said, why no buy? You almost got filled, bro. Almost. Close, but no cigar. It's on your webcam. I can see it. Oh, thank you so much, bro. I don't know why I couldn't see it. Well, would you look at this, everybody? I can do this. Oh, hey, watch this. Now the charts are nice and clean, bro. Nice and clean. Shout outs to freaking Increase the Odds, man. Thank you so much, bro. I forgot you could add text to your OBS. It's in the top left. Yes, thank you guys. I am so happy now that I can just do that. 75 likes equals 75K in giveaways. So how many likes are we at now? Let me check. Let me refresh. 13 likes. We got a lot of work to do, but hey, we're just getting started. We're just getting started. I think you guys can get there. Later after the stream, you could add effects to it, like solid background, scrolling text, etc. 100%, I'm probably going to do that just to make it just a smidge more professional looking. But today I saw my light. I don't know how my light turned green behind me. I wanted to choose a different color, so let's lighten up the mood. We got purple on the screen, so let's make it purple. I think I tapped purple. Looks more pink to me, but whatever. We got that pink background. I'm looking at MNQ right now, and then we have marked off our levels on gold already. So we're just chilling. Gold looks like it's pushing higher on the 1 hour. I'm not going to take the supply zone short just yet. Adebola, thank you for the sub. Potentially, you know, there could be a move long if we wanted to go with it. I mean, I think I'd be interested to. Adrian, thanks for the sub, man. Appreciate it. TBH, I do like the longs, even if it's up into the 5-minute supply. So potentially we'll look to see to go long. Let's see if we get filled. Angelo, good morning. Done for the day. Let's go, bro. Nice work, man. There laterally have 0 pixels between my buy and that wick. That sucks, bro. Oh, man. That always bites. You know what I mean? That always bites. Please remember me in your giveaway. Once we hit the like goal, I will tell you guys what to comment in the YouTube chat so that the YouTube comment picker can pick the winner. Pickle, pepper, pica, pepper. Keep saying picker, pecker, papa, pepper. NASDAQ is looking sexy today. Super clean setups. Yeah, I like NAS too. It's looking pretty good. All right, we didn't get filled on the buy, which is totally fine. I'll see if we get any pullback to go long. In any case, totally fine. Just waiting for anything to happen later. As of right now, we're just chilling. Jay Prince said hello. What's up, man? Good morning. Eric. Yeah, when I found out how to do it, that was the first thing I went to go grab. I have to drink I got chai tea today. Chai tea latte today. Trying to drink less coffee because I can tell it's like staining my teeth and I got insecure about it. So I'm like, all right, I gotta stop drinking coffee. I gotta take care of my teeth now because I freaking drink so much coffee. So there you go. I just told the internet about my teeth insecurity, so GG's. Chai tea shouldn't stain your teeth though. If it does, that sucks. Absolutely sucks. Please, I'm from Nigeria. Please remember me too in your net giveaway. You guys are gonna have to wait till we get to the like amount, and then when we get to that like amount, we will tell you what to comment in the YouTube chat for us to then choose who's going to be the winner. Vanilla chai is literally my favorite. Good choice. Yeah, dude, I've never tried vanilla chai. This is just. Oh wait, maybe this is vanilla chai. VT. Does that mean VT hot? Oh, it's a venti hot chai. How to try a vanilla chai, bro? I'll tell you what. Doyle Exchange, the guy that I learned supply and demand from. This man is long right now. He is long off this 13 EMA, breaking the candle on the 5-minute, because that's his setup. This candle grabbed the 13 EMA, so then what he would then do is, I'm telling you, this man is long right now on NAS. He would then go break of this candle, stops below here on this candle, and then go for a 1-to-1. Boom. His win rate is insane. So he'd hit 1-to-1, and then he'd take some partials, and then he'd let there be some runners for a 1-to-2. Doyle Exchange. Promise you. Because I follow him on Instagram, and shout out to Doyle Exchange. If you guys do go follow him, let him know that Shaq MT sent you guys. But Doyle, I learned so much. I was part of his community. I watched him trade live. And that man freaking never misses. I mean, he does miss. He does have losing days. But, bro, that dude knows what he's doing. So he is long right now. You gave a good heart. Keep soaring higher. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Same with me. Literally, I got stains and hate them so much from the coffee. I'm glad I'm not alone, bro. I bought some teeth whitening strips now. And I'm like, I gotta stop drinking coffee because I 100% know it's from the coffee. And so now, I have I used the teeth whitening strips last night. Still got it worked a little bit, but it says you have to do 18 times at minimum, 45 minutes a day, 18 days. So yesterday was my first day. And so I was like this morning, I'm like, oh my gosh, I want my coffee so bad. Not even for the caffeine. Like, I don't even care about the caffeine for coffee. I just love the taste of coffee. I like my coffee breath. Like, I like all of that stuff. But it freaking stains your teeth. So, hey, don't forget to do a giveaway for your mod. Oh my gosh, Will. Will, haven't you won already? You won at least the 25K, I think. You and Doyle, I learned from him. Ah, yeah, bro. Yes. I was in Doyle's group for a while. I paid for the monthly subscription. I learned supply and demand from Carmine Rosado, right? And he's a little too technical for me, but I learned how to draw out supply and demand zones. And then I stumbled upon Doyle because I was following him for a while. And then I joined his community and I was like, oh snap, it's supply and demand with added market structure, and then the EMAs. He adds the 13 EMA into the mix, and then that's when I formulated my own strategy. So Doyle Exchange, I keep shouting him out, but he is legitly real. He posts his losses, he posts his wins, and he shows that it's on a Tradevate live account. He was trading way before prop firms became a big thing. You got to be really careful with people that are out there, guys. Like, people that you want to watch in the trading space, you have to be very careful. I implore you to do your research, not just follow people because of their flashy things. And for the sake of me, for the reason of me talking about it, this is my payouts from TopStep. So I have them verified in the sense that I've taken payouts out of a prop firm. We hit 30K this month. We have 30K in total this year from TopStep, and I've probably spent $2,000 total in evals. So just be careful who you're listening to and following, and if you want to follow somebody, Doyle Exchange is the real deal. Real deal. All I'm gonna say is that if I'm gonna have stains on my teeth, it dang well better be from espresso. Bro, espresso, I feel like you're gonna be fine because it's a shot, it's 2 ounces of liquid probably. But when I drink coffee, it's sip, 2 hours, sip. And then I drive. I have to go to Sedona today, which is a 2-hour drive. And where I usually park to charge my Tesla, there's coffee. So I'm I'm gonna get a coffee because I like it. So yeah. Bro, thank you for everything that you do. I'm really learning a lot with you. Thanks, man. Absolutely. And I'm glad I can finally give back, man. I used to be the guy watching other people and feeling lost and watching all the people left and right and learning all these strategies. So hearing that means a lot to me because I get to give back. So thanks, Angelo. And you've been a real one, Angelo. You've been a part of the team. You're in the Matrix trading chat, Discord. You're involved. So appreciate you. Yeah, I'm gonna grab some too, bro. You grab some, bro. I got mine from Walmart. Teeth whitening strips. Now I'm cheesing. I'm just kidding, bro. I'm just kidding. The Maddie, good morning. Good morning. What's up, man? What's up? We're just chilling. We missed out on these longs, which is totally fine. I'm not hating it. We are going to just stay patient at this point. I'm not going to just jump in, and I'm not just going to FOMO into anything, What do you think about Max and the orb strategy? I think as traders, let me be careful with what I say. I think orb in itself is a good strategy, 100%. Opening range break definitely works. What I think about Max and what they've got going on is a great media, trading business. they make a lot of money because of the community. So Doyle, he makes a lot of money from his community too. He has a monthly like subscription model. But what I will say is the man posted his wins and he posted his losses. And whenever I follow other traders, if I don't see any losses, if I'm not in the Discord and I don't see them losing, that's where I get all sketched out. You know what I mean? And Doyle, yes, you do the math. He has 2,000 people watch him sometimes in his trading community. They all pay $79 a month. Do that math. That's a lot of money. But when he trades his actual Tradevate account, live cash, like funded, he's trading it and he's making real money. 50K a month, 35K a month, 40K a month. And I respect that. So does the strategy work? Opening range break? 100%. As far as the guys, they're funny. They're cool. Max is amazing. It's hilarious. But there's also this side of like, they're entertainers, man. They're making that money. So nothing bad about it. I just want to be real. I want to be honest about it. If you guys are going to ask me questions about whatever it is, I'm just going to tell you my full honest thought. And I watch Max. He's on my Instagram. I watch every time he replies back to content, it makes me laugh. Dude is crazy. He's hilarious. But as far as like legitimate traders that you want to follow, learn from, they're more on the entertainment side. Please let me get those likes to 75. Where are we at now? Let me refresh. We're at 32. We're getting there. My Starbucks is getting away with the word giveaways. Your mind will be blown with seeing how much more darker espresso is. It stains whatever it touches way worse than coffee. I know. I'm a barista. Oh, okay, Will. I will listen to you on that then. I trust your word. What's a good amount to start trading micros with futures? That question, hey, thanks for the sub, Ruger. Appreciate you. Welcome to the trading family. That's a question that comes down to your account size and your risk. So I trade, like right now on my Express accounts, I'm at $2,570 in a cash balance. Okay. So if I treat this like a real cash account, $2,570, and if you treat it like what everybody else says to trade cash accounts, and they say only risk 1% of your account, so that means you should be only risking $25 on this account, when in reality I risk 10%. I'm risking $250 to $300 per trade, which goes against like traditional thoughts of, hey, you should only risk $25, which is 1% of your account. So I answer your question with saying that it's up to you. It all comes down to how much dollar amounts do you want to risk per trade. Right, 100%. I super feel you with that. Thanks, man. Thanks, Fades. Shaq, run it back for him. Prop versus live accounts. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, you got Eric. Eric's on it, bro. Okay, you got it. Prop accounts versus live accounts. Okay. Prop firms give you the opportunity to enter in to get capital with them at a lower amount of money. So, for instance, TopStep, not an affiliate, I just trade with them. They give you the opportunity to trade their, look at that, it says trade our money. Their website's fancy now. Dang, it's looking like Apple. They give you the opportunity to trade their money. Okay, so start trading. Start a combine. So you can get up to 150K in buying power with them for $149. When it's and just to go even further in depth, just so you guys know, this, you don't actually get $150,000. You don't actually get 100K. You don't actually get 50K. The amount that you actually get is just the maximum loss limit. So on a 50K account, you're essentially spending $49 to get 2,000. On 100K, you're spending $99 to get 3,000. And then on 150K, you're spending $149 to get a $4,500 cash account. So that being said, if you don't have $4,500 to trade with right now, then if you could swing $149 to get into the prop world or to get a cash account of $4,500, then bingo bango, here you go, right? This next payout of $5,000, I'm going to put it into my cash account. That's a live trading account, which I already have $3,000 in there from payouts from prop firms. I'm going to put an additional $5,000 in there, and I'm going to trade live funds, like my own capital. This is my cash now. So the difference between the two is that you're trading someone else's money, you're trading prop firm money, and then you're trading live capital. Is like the psychology between the two is way different. There's a lot to go into it, but I just, based off of Eric, talking about what are the differences. If you want to get into trading and you don't have $4,500 or you don't even have $2,000 to trade with, then joining TopStep or TX3 funded, which is in my description, use code ShackMT, get a little commish. If you use any prop firm, you basically get to get capital at a lower cost per entry. You just have to pass their firm. You have to actually pass. So for instance, just so I can finish this full thought, if you want to get the 50K account at $49, you have to pass the account by making $3,000 on that 50K account, which essentially you're turning $2,000 into $3,000. Well, you're taking $2,000 and making $3,000. So essentially taking 2 and turning into 5. And then there's some rules within there, like a daily drawdown and whatnot. But to simplify it, if you can make $3,000, then you can actually get a funded account with them, which then turns into an express account, which is called funded, or other term for funded, and you can get payouts from those accounts. So there you go. Hopefully that helped. 13 EMA was tapped on gold. 13 EMA on gold. Let me check here. 13 EMA was tapped. And it looks like it's pushing to go higher. Potentially, wanting to go long because we made another high, but just not comfortable. It's not my thing right now. It doesn't look too good. Because we're at highs again. There's multiple highs. You guys don't even see it. Hold on. So if we're looking at gold, we have all of these highs here, right? 1, 2, 3. So trying to go long here could be either really, really good and we break out, or we push short. So it's not something I'm too interested in. And then also if you look at the 200 EMA, which is on my other screen, the 200 EMA basically just rides flat. It's starting to curl up a little bit, but usually when the 200 EMA is just riding flat, price usually just goes in a choppy barcoding motion. It's just ranging, which is essentially what's been happening. So not too intrigued to do anything with gold just yet. Let's wait till the market opens. I'm more interested in MNQ because you can see that the 200 EMA is moving upwards, and then that we grabbed the 13 EMA already. M Forrest, thanks for the subscription, bro. Appreciate it. Welcome to the trading family, Matrix trading family. So I would potentially try to look for shorts on just the combine up in this 5-minute supply, potentially. I don't know if I'm going to take it or not. Market open. If market open and there's a strong rally up into the supply up here, D the Giant, thanks for subscribing, man. Appreciate it. Welcome to the trading family. I'm going to look for shorts up in the supply if it just rips higher. We are at 34 likes. Come on, let's go. Keep pushing. Hey, I got 75K in evals to give away today, so you guys got this. You guys got this. Living room, what's up, bro? What's up, man? How is the weather out there in your neck of the woods? The fills are different too. Not that it always gonna happen, but yeah, a lot more slippage on stops is something. Some of those limit orders don't get filled 100% on a live account. When you trade live capital, you're actually injecting money into real live markets where your broker, for instance, Tradeovate, has to facilitate those orders. And if there's a lot of buying and selling, and the market's moving fast, you know, these brokers are trading millions, hundreds of millions of dollars per second, and they're gonna slip. Yeah, it's called slippage. So you might not get filled when you're trading prop firms like this right now. Yes, my Express account shows I have $2,570 in trading capital I can use, but it's all fake. It's fugazi. It's fake money. So right now, I'm going to get filled instantly. I'm going to get out instantly. I'm going to get filled, or I'm going to get in instantly because I'm just trading fake money right now. But TopStep's going to pay you in those profits, which is nice. So yeah. The flying daggers. Watch out. Watch out. Those daggers are flying. Watch out. See? You gotta warn me when you throw these daggers, bro. Do you recommend AI on trading? I don't. I don't recommend AI in trading because the markets are fully consisted of humans like you and I. Yes, there are bots and algorithms, I'm sure, but the majority of people are buying and selling hedge funds and private equity firms, and then it's like hedge funds, private equity firms, and then you have like retail buyers. Like those are all humans essentially. And I think that AI doesn't fully conceptualize human emotions just yet. So trading with AI, I think AI can help you stay balanced in your trading, but I don't think it can predict where things can go. I think it's just somebody that can coach you. If so, what do you think? GPT or pocket option? Yeah, dude, I already tried. I used to like take my screenshot, send it over to ChatGPT. What do you think about this? And it's only going to take the information out of what it sees right now. It's, oh, well, you know, it kind of looks good, you know, and you have to make those decisions yourself. You do. ChatGPT, AI, Claude, Gemini, Grok, all of those things, they can't click the button for you. Only you can. M&Q, I'm looking at M&Q. This isn't gold. I was looking at gold here just a minute ago. What active is this? If you're saying what are we looking at? We're looking at gold or NQ. Dang it, Eric, did you post that you went long, bro? Yo, frick. Eric went long on gold. Nice, bro. Wait, is that gold? Yeah, you went long on gold. Nice work, bro. GG's. Let's go from the Philippines. ¿Cómo está? Perfect Shark. Let's go. ChatGPT, it's time to put the house on it. It's time to put the house on it. It's yeah, it's ChatGPT saying you should probably sell all of your assets and go cash and put it all long on gold. This is live, right? This is a combine that I have. Are you talking about the YouTube, like us live? Yeah, this is live. But I have an Express account with TopStep also. Check the Discord. I'm done for the day. $1,400. Bro, let's go. Let's go. That's a good move. We were just looking at gold, and I told myself risky buys. But if I said if it does go long, it's going to rip. And what do you know? Good job. Good job, Eric, taking that long, bro. Just do the opposite of what I say, and you guys will be profitable. Make sense? I'm just kidding. Sama, what's up? Good morning. Good morning. All right, guys. So gold is in this 1 hour supply. Nothing immediately to do just yet, but I'm trading micros. So, TopStep only lets me trade 2 micros, so I'm not interested in trading gold just yet, unless it's like it makes a lot of sense to. So I'm just really primarily focused on MNQ. I am going to look to try trading just the combine today and not the Express accounts. Chat gets it. He hears me. I do. I hear you, bro. I hear you loud and clear. Full port. We're just a bunch of degenerates. We're just a bunch of degenerates here. Neater, what's going on here? What's going on here is entertainment purposes only, watching somebody lose and make money. Neater, you're scaring me. You sound like you're the IRS. Like, what's going on here, huh? What's going on? What are you guys doing here? 45% of you are new. Guacamole, holy guacamole. Welcome to all the new people into trading. Nas would have printed as well. Yeah, Nas longs would have printed. I didn't get filled. But we were looking for longs in this 5-minute demand right over here. Boom, bam. Would have been a good long, but you know, shoulda, coulda, woulda. Just gotta be patient. Wait for something. You know what's not a bad play is right over here. 13 EMA is bouncing up. So I can see a quick long in this 5-minute demand up into the supply for a quick play if we wanted to. This is just the combine, so I just trying to pass those. Nas would have printed as well. I'm going to go long if Asia low gets swept for sure. You know, I don't look at that. I used to try to look at Asia low, London high, New York session high, and New York session low, and stuff really messed me up, to be honest. So maybe I'll start to look at that again in the future, but not right now. 79 people watching. Can we get 79 likes? We're getting there. How many likes are we at now? We're at 41. Dang. Not bad, guys. Not bad. It's early. Come on, guys. Let's get to that 75 likes. You guys got it. You guys got it. Let me check on the team really quick. Second here. Okie dokie. Do you have a goal or target to hit in trading? What do you mean? What do you mean by like a goal or target? Like a dollar amount? Or goal in general? I guess. I don't know. If you could be just a tad bit more specific for me, help me out. Help me a lot in answering your question. You guys went long on gold without me. it looked good, but again, we were hitting those highs and I didn't want to take that risk. How long you been trading and what dollar amount? So for as far as a dollar amount, I don't. I realized when I made 25K last month in payouts, it pressured me to want to try to beat that. So I no longer try to look for a dollar amount. And also the dollar amount really pressures me. I try to not think about it. I just want to take the setup and take what's given to me. So to answer that question. And then how long have I been trading for? I've been trading since 2019, right before COVID, the vid. And ever since then, I was never profitable until pretty much last month and the month before. Last year was a break-even year for me. Slightly profitable. Spent $2,000 to $3,000 in prop firm accounts and had like $6,000 to $7,000 in payouts. So yeah, I took a long break last year. I still looked at charts, but I took a long break. How long are you trading for? Yeah, the dollar. Only 46 likes, really? We're getting there. We're getting there. How to get the giveaway? Yeah, once we get to 75 likes, you'll have to wait and see what I post to type in the chat for you to enter in. John 31650, let's go. Rysel, yo, what's up, Rysel? Once we hit the like goal, yeah, exactly, yes, thank you. Do you think gold will go back down after sweeping London high? I don't necessarily look at that. I think it's you weren't here when I said that, but I don't look at London high and London lows and New York session high. I look at just areas of interest. So potentially right now we're in a 1 hour supply on gold. So I would be more intrigued to short here. But it'd just be too risky just to enter in as is. It might just literally tap and just go short. So we're just gonna have to wait till market open to see kind of what's what. Potentially going long in this 5-minute demand on gold seems interesting to me since we made the move higher. At market open, if this thing comes back down, potentially doing a break and retest sort of setup. Dude, do you think gold will come back down after sweeping in London, right? I just answered that. The big 19. The big 19, what does that mean? What's 25K? Amazing, bro. What? 25K? Amazing, bro. Keep it up. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Yes, it is. 25K is amazing. And I am very thankful for that. I try not to think about it. To be honest, I try not to think about it. And just full disclaimer, I don't trade full time. I have a business, social media management company, and I manage multiple accounts for clients. I have like camera gear here. I have a team in the Philippines that edits all my content for my clients, and we post on their behalf. So that's really what's helped me not feel pressured to make stupid mistakes in trading, is that I have a business that pays all the bills and I don't have to think about it. So the 25K is just 25K. It's like, oh, cool, sweet. Let's keep moving. You know what I mean? Let's just keep doing whatever we're doing. Yeah, too risky because of the retail sales news, which signaled bullish for gold. The Rona, the big 19. Oh, the big 19. I like that. Don't try to predict, just follow the market. 100%. That's correct. What do you think about the gold restrictions on prop firms? I think the gold restriction on prop firms are necessary because I want prop firms to keep paying out. So yes, it sucks that they're throttling us down on the amount that we could trade. But I think that for the long term, if we want prop firms to stick around, I think that it's an okay move for me. It's not forever. No, I wanted to go long here. Oh well, market's about to open, so we'll just wait. Yeah, I think it's all. I think it's good. I think it's a good thing. If they were losing cash, hand over fist too fast, just like any business owner, you gotta cut the losses. Saeed, I think I said that right. Saeed, welcome. Thanks for the sub. Music and fun. Good morning. Man, market's about to open. I wanted to go long in this 5-minute demand, and I didn't take it, bro. If this rips, I'm a little frustrated because I missed out on the setup, on two setups essentially. Okay, sweet. Good. Don't leave without me, because I'm gonna be pretty mad if it leaves without me. Guys, if you don't know, I have a free Discord community. It's completely free. Some of the guys are already there trading and posting their wins, posting their losses. The best thing about having a community is, well, I should say, the reason why I opened the community is that trading can be very lonely. Whether you're making a lot of money, if you do it by yourself, it's pretty boring. And if you're losing money, it sucks losing money by yourself. So it's much better to trade with the community. Me and Dylan are verified traders. Dylan here is in Arizona with me, and he's a verified profitable trader. And psychology wise, you can listen to both of us, and we give feedback to people inside the Discord. So join the Discord completely free. Pin comments above or description below. Shaq, do you have any videos about your SMMA business? I'd love to learn about the video creation process, etc. I don't, to be honest. I fell into the business kind of just like anything else I've ever done. I just realized this business needs this, or this company wanted leads. So I used to build call centers full time. So I don't have any content around how I did it. I just did it, if that makes sense. And then I figured out the problems, and I just created the processes. At what point would you go prop firms to trading live account? Good question. I'm actually doing that now. I have a live account with Tradeovate that has $3,000 in there, and then this payout that I just requested yesterday with TopStep, I am going to it's around $4,500, $4,600. I'm going to put that into the live account, and I'm going to trade that live account. And full disclaimer, I'm not going to trade my live account on the live YouTube. Like, I don't plan on trading live in front of you guys on my live account, I should say. I want that to be strictly just me and this live account, because that account's essentially going to be my future, you know. Dang, whoever went long got stopped out. Long means selling or buying. Long means going long. Long means going buying. Yo, I wondered about that too. Yeah, I mean, at any point, you should never just stay in prop firms. And unfortunately, my mindset is fixed on prop firm mentality. So once I go live and start trading my live account, things will have to change. And I'm going to do that quietly on my own. I'm not going to make that a public thing. Long means it's very too long in length. This freaking Papa Bear. Freaking Papa Bear. All right, so gold is looking like it's moving higher, which is nice. I'm going to set an alert at the 5-minute demand. See if it does reject and come lower. I will look to go long. And Q is coming up. It tapped our 5-minute supply. Tapped our 5-minute supply box, which I didn't go short in because it's just market open. So we're just chilling. Great idea, Shaq. Just keep us posted about it from time to time. 100%. Yes, I will. Yeah, I'll make posts about it for sure. Screenshots and whatnot, but not going to be as transparent as I am with TopStep's payouts and stuff. 61 likes, you guys are great. We almost there. 100%. We're almost there, guys. We almost got the like goal. You trade futures or Forex? I trade mainly futures. I used to be in the Forex world, but bro, too many scams out there, bro. Forex scammers, bro. MT4 can be manipulated easily. Easily. FX Alex G. I was trying to cough his name. I'm just kidding. I don't know if he's profitable or not. I'm just saying. Watch Woo. I apologize if I ruined your name, but thanks for the sub. We're just chilling, okay? There are people that say you are only as good as the people that you surround yourself with. So join the Discord and surround yourself with growing and profitable traders. Will, goodness gracious, being poetic today. I love it. Yes, listen to Will. Listen to Will. It's very true. Like, I want to be. I'm very protective over our community because I know what it's like to be a part of like communities, and there isn't really any like community. You know what I mean? It's like just a bunch of people just throwing what they say. Like I want us to be able to communicate and talk to each other. If you're gonna be stupid and say stupid things, you're out. You know what I mean? I want to keep it a positive, good place for everybody. And that happens naturally. There have been people who joined and then all of a sudden they kind of like find themselves way out because we don't really like subscribe to their negativity, if that makes sense. We going to hear the GLP songs? Yes, it looks like, bro, is this 5-minute supply really going to hit like that? Oh my gosh, I'm going to cry right now, bro. Oh my gosh, I'm going to cry right now. That would have been game right there. I would have passed. We would have passed the account right there. Freaking freak. Lots of misses this morning. Lots of misses. But something's going to pop up. Something's going to pop up. Let's just keep it I think I'm a little more distracted than usual talking with you guys and chilling, but it's whatever. Let me lock in just a little bit here, okay? Just a little bit. This is MNQ. Said hi, what's up, Mistake? Come on, everyone. We are at 66 likes. We're doing it. Let's go. I'm halfway through my TopStep tracing combine. Been trading Forex for 7 years. Just switched to dark side. This is the light side, okay? Forex is the dark side, bro. Gold, I'm not looking at yet, but I have my alerts for longs down in the 5,082 area if we get back down there. I'm on a 50K too. Nice. Looking for sales after 10. Nice. Very, very, very nice. All right, 2 scenarios. Gold, if it makes a new low, I'd consider that a break of structure and look for shorts. And Q, potentially looking for shorts in this 5-minute supply here. What's concerning me is that we're so close to this 1-hour supply up here, but no risk, no Rari, so I'm gonna just take a stab at this. This YouTube music is, yeah, oh my gosh, bro, our 5-minute supply setup was muy perfecto. Muy perfecto. You frickin' fricks. You frickin' fricks. When will you learn? All right, so this is gold. We got 3 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. Interested in taking this long? If this 5-minute candle breaks and makes a new low, then I won't like the long. NQ has left the chat, everybody. I am pretty frustrated that I didn't take my setup. All right, I'm taking that off because NQ's selling off and this is starting to sell off too. So if this 5-minute candle closes bearish, I'm going to look for shorts instead up in this 5-minute supply. I want to see it. I want to see this 5-minute candle close bearish though. And then with NQ, I'm going to look for shorts on NQ too, depending on what happens here. So there's 2 plays. I'm just trying to stay aware. So just bear with me if I don't look at the chat. It's just that 2 micros isn't going to do damage, bro. There's two setups forming, and I just don't know which one to go for. Full port your account. You crazy, bro. All right, I have to make the decision to go to MNQ solely because of the fact that I can't size up on gold. I like the gold shorts in the 5-minute supply, but I can't do anything with just 2 contracts. So gold shorts do look interesting, but I can't do anything with just 2 contracts, 2 micros. I'm trying to pass this account. Dang it, bro. NQ's not going to give us the opportunity, bro. Same with gold. It's not coming to supply and demand zones. But I'm not going to FOMO into things. That's what old unprofitable Meshach used to do. Patience, Meshach. Can't FOMO into anything. It's just part of the game, my friend. I'm over here talking to myself. It's just part of the game, you know? Sometimes price doesn't get into your entry area, and it's just the way that's the way the cookie crumbles. Even on gold, didn't play out. If I would have put my sell loader limit here, it would have been filled like we usually would, but your boy didn't put it in. I didn't feel comfortable going short there. This is NQ, and you guys, I think you guys hit the 75 likes. Hold up. You guys hit it. I don't look at order blocks. Nice work, everybody. Hit the 75 likes. What you guys need to do to enter in, I'm trying to trade too at the same time, so bear with me. I'm not fully present with you guys. Comment hashtag matrix. 1, you have to comment hashtag matrix. 2, you have to join the Discord. And then 3, sub to the channel. All right, those are the giveaway parameters, or what you need to do to be entered into the giveaway. Comment hashtag matrix. You got to be in the Discord to qualify, and you also have to be subbed to the channel. Just bear with me, guys. I'll do this giveaway. Everybody knows I will. I want to make sure I don't miss out on a trade. So I usually do the giveaway at around 8:30 anyway, just so you guys know. I'm not like trying to prolong and like have you guys sit here and this guy's dragging me on and just want to get my giveaway over and he's just making me wait. I hear you, but I'm not. I usually do it at 8:30 anyway. So if you're in, you gotta be there, because I'm only gonna wait a minute or two, and if you're not here to reply back, I gotta move on to the next person. Come on, bro. Come on, NQ. Come on, NQ. Come on, NQ. No. I'm gonna wait for an area to enter. I'm not gonna FOMO into things, because that's what old Meshach did. That's what old unprofitable Meshach used to do. He used to just buy and sell out of emotions, and I'm not doing that. I'm going to wait. I'm going to be patient. I'm going to be as patient as possible. As posible. What? Más posible? I was playing Call of Duty yesterday, and I was with a team. They spoke Spanish. Bro, they were like speaking Spanish the whole time, and I'm the only one that speaks English. So I was like, "¿Qué lo que hay, papi?" And they're like laughing so hard. It was a good time. How do you withdraw from demo account? You can't withdraw from a demo account. The prop firms pay you, bro. Oh, you're trying to be you're lame, bro. Get out of here, Ruben. This guy acts like he's cool. How do you withdraw from a demo account? This guy has no clue what he's talking about. How do you withdraw from a demo account? Where's the Discord link? Discord link is the top pinned comment or in the description account below. I think we can go for longs if this continues to go down. There's a lot of interest. Gold said let it burn after that long it gave us. 100%. I'm looking now at a 5-minute supply for shorts on gold. And then on NQ, I'm looking to see if we get the opportunity to go short here. Aaron, how do you take profits from a demo account? You're lame. You don't know what you're doing. You're fake. Okay, I'm done. Had to get that out of my system. Why didn't you send to me a message? I would have joined you on Call of Duty. It was at home, and it was like super late. It's like 8:30, but you know what? I will, bro. I will. Thanks, Eric. I forgot about that. I forgot to put that in there. Why didn't you send me? Yeah, I will do that. Do you ever look for SMT divergence? I don't look for SMT divergence. You know, days like this, guys, it really tests me. Same thing happened yesterday, where it never really got into our areas of interest or entry areas. And I'm very like yesterday's was the opposite of what just happened. Yesterday, we had a 5-minute supply just like this. Perfect. What happened? It went higher. You know what I mean? So today, I think I subconsciously was like, I don't want to put it there because it might just push higher. And it worked out perfectly today. So now that I'm like actually thinking about it, I chickened out because yesterday's setup was pretty much identical and it was a losing trade. So I kind of chickened out. So that being said, the rest of the day, I couldn't get entered on a long because it never came back to our 5-minute demand areas. But now I'm waiting for shorts. I'm in the same exact scenario as yesterday. I'm just waiting to get filled on shorts. Bro, what in the heck, man? You already did the giveaway? No, I have not. Hang in there, Shaq. Thanks, man. Yeah, we're just chilling. Appreciate the sub. Gaming with Merca. I still like shorts on NQ, guys. It's just a question of where we can get in. Jeez Louise, man. Honestly, guys, honestly, it would have been a banger to have been filled right here. That was our entry area. And I'm not one to want to snipe things, but my goodness, bro. We would have passed that account right now. Would have been done. The link isn't linking. Oh, snap. For the Discord. Which one are you clicking on? Are you clicking in the pinned comments? Because I think that's the newest one. Gaming with Merca. Awesome. Thanks, guys. And yes, best of luck to you guys. Best of luck to you guys. Your boy's going to enter in short here. Oh, you can't copy the link. I see. Yes, sorry, guys. This is always the problem when you're doing it from your phone. What I need you guys to do, maybe go in the description, or if you have an iPhone, screenshot it, screenshot the description, and then save it, and then you can copy and paste from your iPhone. Sorry, guys. This is MNQ. Why am I shorting? Because I'm just going with the trend at this point. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Ideally, I want to get in short here, but I don't know if we're going to get here. So I'm going to give it a stab in this 5-minute supply. If we get filled, we might not get filled. We take a look at gold. Gold shorts look interesting. 577, 5077 area. But I'd rather take NQ. Is there a giveaway today? Yes, it'll be around 8:30 MST, so in about 20 or 35 minutes. What are you shorting? Sorry, I thought you said why you're shorting. What am I shorting? I'm shorting MNQ. I'm trading the long on the retracement. Nice, very nice. Gotta start trading MYM. I don't know what MYM. Will, thanks for posting that, brother. Gotta start trading MYM. I don't know what MYM is. AMD for longs. I don't look at AMD. I don't look at stocks right now. It's a mini NQ. I'm actually trading micros. Can I join in the giveaway? Yes, 100%. Just got to comment hashtag Matrix. Come back at around 8:30 MST, as that's when I'm going to do the giveaway. Have I played the giveaway song I sent you? Yes, we did for that. I think it was like one of the first times we did it. But I just been playing the Matrix song instead, to be honest. But maybe we'll do the giveaway song instead today. Should we be in the general room in Discord? You don't have to be in there when we do the giveaway, and when you win, I communicate with the winner inside of Discord. So one, you can join the community because it's free, but two, I'd rather you be in the Discord already when we're ready, if you do win, so we can communicate together. Because if you win, I have to tell you something in the Discord to type inside of the chat to verify that it's you. That's how I verify, and then I give you I get your information, I send it over to the team for them to send you the giveaway account. My second area of entry to go short is up here, and I don't know if it's going to reach up there, but if it does, I'll look to go short up there too. What's the giveaway for? It's funded eval. It's It's evals for prop firm accounts. Excuse me. Pardon my mucus clearing of my throat. It looks like we're going to get stopped out on this move, which I'm totally good with.
Order filled.
All right, we got stopped out. I am going to see if we get reach this 5-minute supply instead. Okay, why is my trading view frozen? Why is trading view frozen? Okay, trading view is frozen, and I need. There you go. Thank you. I'll re-enter in if it rejects further. If it doesn't,
Order filled.
all right, gonna risk the same $350. And if I get stopped out here, then we're just gonna patiently wait even more. What I'm afraid of is that it's going to come up to this 1 hour supply up here and then come down lower. That's what I'm afraid of, but you just got to take the risks, you know what I mean? All right, looks like we're going to get cooked on this one too, which I'm totally fine. These are combines. I'm not trading my express accounts. Music Giant, appreciate the sub.
Order filled.
2 losing trades in a row. My goodness gracious. I am totally fine with it though. I'm totally fine with it. We're all good. Just gonna wait to see what happens then. If it retraces, again, I'll try to enter in short. There's 1 minute candle left on this 5-minute candle, so see what happens. 28 seconds left. Again, this is just combines, guys. I'm not trading my funded accounts.
Order filled.
RJ Santiago, appreciate the sub. Appreciate the sub. We're gonna get stopped out on the evals again, which is fine with me. But if this rejects, I'm gonna enter in on the express accounts. All right, we got stopped out. I thought we got stopped out. We're so close. We're about to get stopped out.
Order filled.
Very tricky area. Could get stopped out in this last minute candle. Yep, looks like we're gonna get the sell, or we're gonna get the longs, it looks like. My stops are just super tight. I don't want to risk more than I want to on the express accounts. I can always re-enter in. 15 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. Really need to see this reject. Oh, we're cooked. We're cooked. There's a potential of a candle wick to push high. But I'd rather re-enter in than get caught in a super high move, like move my stops higher. But it is what it is. We get stopped out.
Order filled.
All right. Potentially going to re-enter in on the funded accounts.
Order filled.
Oh, I'm still in on this account. Jeez. All right. I'm not copy trading them, so I'm getting kind of chopped up right now. Oh, geez. Yeah. I need to just not trade these express accounts separately. 178 on this one. Okay, so it looks like it wants to keep going higher. So I'm still okay. I'm not on tilt. I understand my risk on the evals. I'm totally fine with, because it's just evals. I want to slowly make sure that I'm good on my express accounts. So I need to copy trade those instead. 194620. Clear. 194620. All right, so we are in this 1 hour supply on gold now, or on NQ, but I'm going to wait to see what happens instead before I make any rash decisions. On gold, gold is looking to push back up higher, so potentially looking for shorts up here. 50.76 area, I'm still going to look for shorts potentially. So I'm going to add my alerts there. And then on NQ, I'm just going to patiently wait to see what happens. Yeah, definitely broke structure. I haven't looked at you guys. Broke structure. I'm out. Don't revenge trade 100%. Checking too. We took the L on this morning. Done for the day. Yep, 100%. And I'm totally fine with that. We missed out on the shorts this morning on that move, but I don't want to call it quits just yet, because I still have, these are just express accounts, so I'm fine taking a bit more than usual on the express accounts. Sorry, combines. Oh, I'm no 194 and 620. There you go. Are you trading gold on TopStep? Yes, I am, but I can only trade 2 micros right now. got 31 seconds left. Just hang tight for me, guys. I'm also a day trader too, right? I'm trying to entertain, answer questions. Not 314 and 766.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, well, didn't mean to get filled on that, but... Alright, so we tapped this 1 hour supply. Potentially wanting to go long here is an idea, but if this is a fake out from this 1 hour supply, I'm gonna flip short again. I just wanted to quickly scalp that into a demand area.
Order rejected. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right. It didn't pan out. It didn't pan out. GG's. Goodness gracious. I thought we had that there. Okay. All right. All right. I was like, okay, it rejected the 5-bit the hour supply. Could go lower, and we didn't. Just bear with me, guys. Bear with me. Essentially, because we swept the highs on the 5-minute here, we'd want to go long down here. But I'm trying to catch the move down into the long, down to where we would go long. Excuse me. But I don't know if that's going to happen or not. On the Express accounts, I'm totally fine with the losses. We're still good. On the eval, I'm just more like keen to push it just because I'm trying to pass. But it looks like longs are going to take over and continue higher. Definitely thought that with this 1-minute candle short that we wanted to, the sellers want to step back in, but I'm just gonna wait and see. Tapped off that 1 hour supply. Gonna set my alerts for this swing low on the 5-minute. So essentially what I have drawn out is this supply on the 5-minute, and we're gonna see what happens. In the meantime, what I'm going to do is get ready for this giveaway. Holy crap, we're at 111 likes. Yeah, that's crazy. Appreciate the sub, everybody. Appreciate the likes and the subs. Let's do this giveaway. All right, everybody, one last time. Comment, hashtag. We have 2 accounts to give, a 25K account and a 50K TX3 funded account. So one more time, everybody comment hashtag Matrix. Everybody comment hashtag Matrix for me, please. Hashtag Matrix. Hashtag Matrix. Get your hashtag Matrix here. Everybody comment your hashtag Matrix here. All right. Let's get the first giveaway going. Hold up. I got my eyes on the accounts, okay? Or on the freaking I got my eyes on. Let me just set my alert over here. All right, here we go. Let's do it. I have my alerts there. Bro, no. And then a no. No. Don't do this right now. No. I should have put my stop sell order. No. Come on, bro. Don't do this. No. Don't do this to me.
Order filled.
No. I'm just trying to scalp this on the eval. Bro, am I gonna blow these evals right now? I'm not trading the express accounts. Just trying to pass these evals. No, you freaking freaks. Oh man, these evals are just evaluations are so frustrating. On the express accounts, I'm good. I'm not going to trade them. On the evals, I just want to pass. Like, that's what the prop for mentality does to you. It's like you just want to pass. So it makes you do stupider things. If you know, you know. If you're an eval trader, you know. 25k funded heroes eval account giveaway. One winner. Exclude duplicates. Filter by hashtags. Hashtag Matrix. All right, first account giveaway. 25K, you ready? 25K. What you have to do if you win is you have to, I'm going to post you in the Discord. You have to comment. You have to reply back to me in the Discord. Send me a message directly. And then I will ask for information and have you type a certain number inside of the chat. Here we go. 9, 8, 7. This is for the 25K. 2, 1. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, hold on. I can't do that. Sorry, Christian. I'm sorry, bro. Because you just won yesterday, bro. I can't do that. That's unfair to everybody else, bro. Hold on, dude. I cannot do that. Let me make sure. Message Milcho. Yeah, dude. I can't do that, bro. I'm so sorry. You just won yesterday, bro. I would be I can't do that, bro. I'm so sorry. You just won yesterday. To be fair to everybody, I'm sorry, bro. It's the fact that you won again is like, the odds are extremely low. I mean, I guess maybe not, but all right. So sorry. And Christian, oh, there you go, Christian. That's okay. Thank you. Tomorrow though, fine. I'll free. If we do a giveaway tomorrow, you have first dib. You can win. But you should probably pray the, oh, gosh. You should probably pray. Oh my gosh. You should probably play the lottery because you're that like good. So, all right, here we go. We're going to go to the next person. Replace. 1 yesterday. Delete. All right, Jackal Ung 0748. Are you here, sir? Jackal Ung, are you here, sir? Are you here, sir? Jackaloon. I'm gonna post you in the Discord. Yo, what's up, bro? Congratulations on winning the giveaway. Okay, Jackal Ung, please message me in the Discord. I tagged you, or I posted the screenshot. Send me a DM really quick. Why no song? Oh, my bad. I got distracted. Here's the giveaway song, guys. All right, Jackal Ung, go into the Discord, send me a direct DM, and I'm going to reply back to you. Oops. Bro, dang it, Will. Will, can you post that in the... I just ruined it. Okay, I can't do it because I have to go through my DMs really quick, so it cuts it off. Hold on. What did I just do? Mishak. Okay, guys, let me focus for a second. Okay, Jackaloon. Okay, doing it now. Okay, perfect. Send me a DM. I'm going to start working on the next giveaway. Okay, guys. This is for the 50K TX3 funded account. Load comments. $50K TX3 funded eval giveaway. One winner. Filter by hashtag. hashtag matrix confirm. Oh, I put a space. Did that yesterday. Continue. 50K TX3 funded giveaway. Exclude duplicates. Filter by hashtag. Hashtag matrix confirm. All right, guys, here it is. 50K giveaway. I'm going to do, just because that song is accessible, we're going to play the Kings.
Shaq and his team dive into the game, trading like sharks, no room for shame. Strategy so sharp.
All right, guys, get ready. Y'all ready?
Every risk we fight.
In the matrix.
We're the kings of the game, trading like sharks, no room for shame. Strategy so sharp, like a knife in the night. Every move calculated, every risk we fight. In the matrix, we're the kings of the trade, riding high. All else never, our confidence is bold. In the market, we're never cold. Through the chaos, through the pain, we rise above, we never wane. Each trade of victory, each also lessons. In the matrix, we're never at a loss. From the depths to the peaks, we ascend. With every win, we feel our power bend. Traded like pros in the eye of the storm. Our success is our greatest form. The market's our playground. We play the game with every trade. Our confidence remains no matter the risk. We take it on in the matrix. We're never alone in the matrix.
Oh, Rysel. Sorry, I didn't even pay attention. Rysel, congratulations. 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 Rysel. If you could, Rysel, I'm going to post you in the Discord. Congrats. Okay. Back to Jack Ung. Jack, what's up, Jack? Jack, I just texted you a number to type in the chat. Need to make sure that you say it in there. Rysel, I just commented in the Discord. So, Jack, I messaged you inside of the Discord. Can you please type that number inside of the YouTube chat, please? Type in YouTube chat. YouTube chat. Just 2 winners for today, guys. 2 winners for today. All right, Jack. Good job. You are verified, my friend. Need first and last name and email, please. Rysel, could you please tap on my name and send me a direct DM when you get a moment? I've been blowing my funded recently. It's all good. It's all good. Rysel, if you could, Ash, I'll just send you a DM. Okay, Raisa, I sent you a number to type in the chat. If you can type that in the chat, please. Beautiful. Verified. Verified. Nice. Thank you so much. Need first and last name and email, please. Congrats to the winners, everybody. Congrats, everybody. I appreciate everyone joining the Discord. Super fun having more people in there and inside of the YouTube account. Inside of the YouTube live. Super fun having you guys. And I look forward to trading with you guys even more. Hold on here. I have to send that over to the team for them to verify. So bear with me. Congratulations. Congratulations, everybody. Congratulations. Yep, she typed it. Yep, we're good. We're locked in. We're locked in, everybody. That being said, it was the 2 accounts that we gave away. And at this point, I have to hit the road. So that being said, please join the Discord completely free. I love having everybody in there, having a good time, chatting it up. There's an after party where Dylan is usually leading the charge where he trades. If he's not live himself, you can join the Discord and trade live with us inside of the Discord channel. It's in the live chat. I'm in there sometimes, but sometimes I'm too busy. I'm on the road or whatnot. But it looks like Papa Bear and Will, they're already in there. That being said, guys, today was a bit losing trades for us. Totally fine. I might trade the Express accounts later, but I have to get on the road and start driving north. A few hours north, 2 hours north. So thank you guys. Appreciate you. Have a good rest of your day.